Basic House Reusable Silicone Stretch Lids. Struggling to find the right lid? Always short a cover for leftovers? The Basic House Reusable Silicone Stretch Lids might be your answer. This 7-pack offers a simple, eco-friendly way to seal food. You get 7 sizes, so finding the right fit is effortless, eliminating mismatched lids. Made from food-grade silicone, they're safe, BPA-free, and help reduce plastic waste. Good for you, good for the planet. Imagine leftovers covered quickly and easily. Stackable lids free up cabinet space and keep your fridge neat. Dishwasher safe means cleanup is a breeze. No more fighting with plastic wrap. Just stretch, seal, and store. These lids offer an economical, lasting solution, making food storage simpler and greener than ever before. Magic Bullet Small Silver Blender. Need a quick smoothie but hate cleaning a huge blender? The Magic Bullet Small Silver Blender is the answer. This compact set blends ingredients fast in a small jar. Included are a motor base, blades, cups, lids, and a recipe guide. You can easily whip up single-serve smoothies or quickly chop nuts. The included cups are high-impact plastic. Effortlessly create your favorite meals, like sauces or dips. The recipe book gets you started with easy appetizers. No more waiting for big appliances. Blend fruits and vegetables smoothly with water. Enjoy fast, single-serve blending with easy cleanup. It transforms meal prep into a breeze, saving time and space. Baker Pan Silicone Steamer Basket for Microwave. Struggling to get dinner on the table fast? The Baker Pan Silicone Steamer Basket is the answer. It makes microwave steaming vegetables so easy. Forget complicated setups. This steamer basket lifts food above the water, so it cooks evenly. Made from food-grade silicone, it's safe and durable. You can steam everything from veggies to fish, even dumplings. Plus, it's collapsible, saving space in your kitchen. No more bulky gadgets. Imagine preparing a healthy meal in minutes, even on busy weeknights. This steamer preserves nutrients and flavor, unlike boiling. The Baker Pan Steamer Basket gives you quick, healthy meals with easy cleanup. More time for you. Spring Chef Digital Instant Read Thermometer. Ever wondered if your chicken is really done? Or if that bread is perfectly baked? The Spring Chef Digital Instant Read Thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking. With a push of a button, the probe pops out. You get super accurate readings in seconds, precise to 0.9 degrees. The bright backlight makes it easy to see the temperature, even grilling outside at dusk. Imagine perfectly cooked meals every time. No more dry chicken or undercooked roasts. Now, enjoy consistently delicious food. Confidently cook anything, knowing it's safe and perfectly done. Enjoy precise temperature control and perfect results with every dish. Sopedo Silicone Baking Mats, 5-piece set. Are you tired of cookies sticking or burning? The Sopedo Silicone Baking Mats solve that. This 5-piece set makes baking easier than ever. These mats are made of premium, food-grade silicone, about twice as thick as other mats. You can bake from freezer temperatures to 480 degrees without warping. The non-stick surface releases treats like magic. You get perfectly baked cookies and caramel without oil or residue. Imagine, easy cleanup, a quick rinse, and they are like new. No more parchment paper. These mats are easy to store and reuse. Healthier cooking and a better baking experience are yours. A Muji Adjustable Rolling Pin with thickness rings. Ever struggle getting dough thickness consistent? Meet the Muji Adjustable Rolling Pin. This tool makes baking simpler, especially for newer bakers. It has removable rings that let you easily set your desired dough thickness every single time. The stainless steel is easy to clean and won't crack or get moldy like wood. Rings come in 4 sizes for different thicknesses. Just attach, roll, and remove. Imagine perfectly uniform cookies or pie crusts every time. No more uneven baking. Elevate your baking while saving time and frustration. Enjoy consistent, professional results at home with ease. Rowinka Stainless Steel Manual Can Opener. Struggling to open cans? Slippery grips and sharp edges can make it a real chore. The Rowinka Stainless Steel Can Opener solves that. It's built tough with food-grade steel, so it won't rust or break. The long, comfy handle gives you leverage, meaning less hand strain. You get smooth, clean cuts every time, no jagged edges. Even those with arthritis find it easy. Meal prep becomes safer and faster. Imagine quickly prepping ingredients without the fear of cuts. The Rowinka makes everyday tasks simpler and safer, a reliable, durable tool that makes life easier. Gorilla GR Grip Silicone Oven Mitts. Ever burned your hands grabbing a hot pan? Gorilla Grip Oven Mitts solve that. These silicone mitts keep you safe. The silicone provides a fantastic non-slip grip, so you can confidently hold hot dishes. You'll appreciate the waterproof and stain-resistant material. Spills rinse right off. The thick cotton lining adds extra comfort and heat protection. Now imagine easily taking that heavy casserole out of the oven with complete confidence. No more fear of burns, just easy cooking. The Gorilla Grip mitts offer reliable protection and easy cleanup, making baking a joy. A much safer, cleaner cooking experience. Alpha Griller's Stainless Steel Garlic Press. Tired of messy garlic prep? The Alpha Griller's Garlic Press solves that. It quickly minces garlic without the sticky fingers or lingering odor. Just place cloves in, squeeze, and you're done. No peeling needed. The stainless steel build means it's durable and easy to clean. You can even toss it in the dishwasher. Imagine fresh garlic flavor in all your dishes, effortlessly. It speeds up cooking and elevates every meal. This press maximizes flavor, so you taste the difference. Less mess, better taste. What's not to love? It's a small tool with a big impact, simplifying your cooking and enhancing flavor. Just a nice stainless steel cherry pitter. Dealing with cherry pits getting you down? It's messy and slow, especially when you're trying to bake. This Just a Nice cherry pitter changes everything. Made of stainless steel with a simple push design, it quickly removes pits without damaging the fruit. You can prep cherries for jam or pies in a fraction of the time. It's durable and so easy to clean, even goes in the dishwasher. Imagine, no more tedious hand pitting. Now you can enjoy perfectly pitted cherries effortlessly and spend more time enjoying your creations. The Just a Nice pitter, saving time and making cherry prep a breeze. Xylus Silicone Basting Brush. Are you tired of basting brushes that shed bristles? The Xylus Silicone Basting Brush solves that. Its heat-resistant silicone means no more rogue bristles in your food. You get perfectly applied marinades every single time. The angled handle keeps your hands safely away from the grill's heat. This design offers comfort and better control while brushing on sauces, ensuring even coverage. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse it or pop it in the dishwasher. No staining, no lingering odors. Imagine perfectly basted meats, effortlessly cleaned. Enjoy precise basting and spotless cleanup. Toadfish Compact Folding Cutting Board. Tight on kitchen space? The stowaway cutting board from Toadfish solves that. It's a compact folding board designed for small kitchens or even camping. You get a durable, knife-friendly surface that makes food prep easier. It folds so you can transfer chopped food right into your pot, no mess. Plus, it includes a 2-stage knife sharpener. The magnetic closure keeps it secure. Anti-skid bottoms mean it stays put while you work. Imagine having a clean, organized workspace, even in a tiny kitchen. Its compact size makes storage a breeze. Get easier prep, cleaner counters, better cooking. Tuomao Electric Food Processor. Ever spend too long chopping veggies? The Tuomao Electric Food Processor can help. It's a small, powerful food chopper for quick meals. With 2 speeds, you can easily prep everything from fruits to nuts. Press the first button for soft foods or the second for tougher ingredients. The 4 S-shaped blades chop ingredients fast and evenly. You can now create homemade sauces, purees, and even baby food in seconds. This helps busy families enjoy faster, healthier meals every day. Save time, effort, and get perfectly chopped food with ease. Its small size and easy cleaning makes cooking simpler. TV Mania Easy Release Silicone Ice Cube Tray. Ever fight with ice trays, wrestling to get the cubes out? It's the worst. I've got the TV Mania Easy Release Silicone Ice Cube Tray. The silicone makes popping ice out super easy. You just push from the bottom, no more struggling. Plus, these come with lids, so your ice stays fresh and you can stack them neatly. They're also food grade, so you don't worry about chemicals. You can even use these for baby food or freezing herbs. Imagine always having perfect ice, ready for drinks. Clean ice, easy release, less mess. It's such a small change that makes a big difference. Zule Citrus Peeler and Separator? Tired of messy citrus juicing? Sticky hands, wasted fruit? Sound familiar? The Zule Citrus Peeler and Separator solves that. It peels and juices with ease. This tool has a sharp peeler for effortless zest removal. The separator extracts juice cleanly. You get every last drop, no waste. No more struggling with knives. Imagine fresh lemonade without the usual citrus mess. Make margaritas quickly. Focus on the recipe, not cleanup. Zule's peeler saves time, gets more juice, and keeps your hands clean. Enjoy fresh citrus, hassle-free. A wound silicone clip-on strainer. Ever make a mess straining pasta? I always seem to spill water everywhere. The Awoon clip-on strainer solves that problem. It clips right onto your pots and pans so you can drain liquids without a separate colander. You get quick draining thanks to its smart design. No more struggling with bulky strainers. Plus, its compact size means you save storage space in your kitchen. Imagine how much easier meal prep will be when you're not battling spills and struggling with cleanup. The Awoon strainer is a simple way to make your time in the kitchen more efficient and enjoyable.